In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get verified on Kick. So what you want to do is come to create a dashboard and go over to achievements here. And this is the path to verification. So if your channel is meeting or exceeding the below requirements, please email partners@Kick from your associated Kick email address. Please include your channel name, what kind of content you stream, security qualifications required for verification. So you must have your phone number confirmed and you must have 2FA enabled on your account. So you need to reach a total of 20 subscribers in the past 30 days. Gifted subs not included. Maintain my community. So you need to have an average of 75 viewers in the last 30 days. You need to stream 12 days in the last 30 days. You need to stream for a total of 30 hours in the last 30 days. And you need to have at least 300 unique chatters in the last 30 days. So once you reach these requirements, then you can email them here with your email. Make sure it's the one associated with your Kick and include this information, and then they'll either verify you or they won't. But it says kindly note that meeting the above requirements does not guarantee verification but makes you eligible to apply. Now, because they're new, if you do reach this stuff, then you're likely to be eligible pretty quickly and they're likely to approve you. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.